Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the soft focus stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, the half double crochet stitch, and the half double crochet V-stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to make an even number of chains. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 half double crochet into the 4th chain from your hook. Now we're going to start our sequence for this row. Skip 1 chain into this next one, make a half double crochet V-stitch. So it's going to be a half double crochet, chain 1, and half double crochet all into the same chain. So now same thing, skip 1 chain, make a half double crochet V into the next chain. Skip 1 chain, make 1 half double crochet V into the next chain. So you're now going to skip this sequence of skipping 1 chain and then making a half double crochet V-stitch into the next chain until you reach the end of this row. Once you get to the end of your row and you only have 2 chains left, you're going to skip 1 chain like we had been doing, then work 1 half double crochet into that last chain by itself to complete this row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 1 chain. Into the first stitch of this row, make a single crochet. Now we're going to start our sequence. Make 2 chains. You're going to skip to the next previous half double crochet V-stitch. Make a single crochet into that stitch space, so it's going to be this space right here. Make 2 chains. Same thing, move over to the next half double crochet V-stitch, make a single crochet into that stitch space, make 2 chains, skip to the next one and make a single crochet, chain 2, skip to the next half double crochet V-stitch, make a single crochet into that stitch space, chain 2, skip to the next one, make a single crochet, chain 2, skip to the next one, make a single crochet into that stitch space, chain 2, skip to the next one, single crochet into that stitch, chain 2, skip to the next one, single crochet into that stitch, chain 2. Once you get to the end of your row, you're going to have 1 stitch. This is a previous half double crochet by itself, and then some chains. Skip to those chains, into the top of those chains, make a single crochet stitch to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 2 chains. Into the first stitch of this row, make 1 half double crochet. Now row 3 is going to be similar to row 1 where we made these half double crochet V-stitches. So we're only going to be working in 2 stitches across. We're going to be skipping over these chain spaces. So skip over this next chain space into this previous single crochet, make a half double crochet V-stitch. You're now going to continue this from here. Skip the next chain space, half double crochet V into this next single crochet.
Skip this next chain space, half double crochet V into this next stitch. Skip this next chain space, half double crochet V into this next stitch. Skip this next chain space, half double crochet V into this previous single crochet. Skip the next chain space, half double crochet V into this previous single crochet. Skip the next chain space, half double crochet V into this next single crochet. Skip this next chain space, half double crochet V into this next single crochet. When you get to the end of this row and you only have one chain space and one stitch left, skip the chain space like we had been doing. Into the last stitch of this row, work 2 half double crochet into this stitch. It's going to match the beginning of this row. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the soft focus stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.